Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial on my nails. I've seen this trend going around with Rosanna Pansino, James Charles, Jenna Marbles, and iJustine, and I thought it'd be really fun to try following it on my nails instead. So I'm applying a base coat, and then I'm going to be painting all of my nails white to act as the canvas. I haven't seen any other nail artists try this, but if there's one I missed, please let me know in the comments down below. So the Bob Ross tutorial I'm going to be following is called Island in the Wilderness, and while I'm doing the nail design here, I'm going to be putting some clips of Bob Ross's tutorial so you can kind of see a side by side. Since I'm going to be doing a gradient on top of this white, I'm applying a layer of top coat on all of my nails. This is just a really quick tip I like to do because it makes sure that the base doesn't get picked up when you're doing the gradient on top, and also make sure it's completely dry. Now I'm taking the Simply Peel liquid latex and I'm painting that all around my nail to minimize cleanup. Now I'm taking a makeup sponge and painting a stripe of a medium blue, light blue, medium pink, and then a wide stripe of the dark blue again. And you can kind of see when I show the clip here of where Bob is using these similar colors. So in the sky he has the dark blue and the light blue, and then where the sky meets the water you have the pink and then a wider blue stripe for the water. Once I've done a few coats of my gradient and I'm happy with how it looks, I'm peeling off the liquid latex using tweezers. Now I'm taking that same medium blue I used before and painting some rounded shapes for some mountains in the background of my sky, just like Bob is painting here with the blue. And I'm kind of blending those into the water a little bit the best I can. Now I'm taking a deep teal nail polish and I'm painting a row of trees on the side of my nail, just like Bob is painting on the side of the canvas. Then I'm painting a bigger, happy little tree by painting a long line down the other side of my nail. And similar to how he's using the fan brush, I'm going back and forth with my detail brush here and creating some of the leaves for the tree. Now he's blending the reflection of the trees into the water, so I'm taking a tiny piece of makeup sponge and just blending out that teal nail polish into the blue below it. Now with a light green nail polish, I'm going back over my trees and adding some detail and highlights to them. And then using that light green again to add a brighter bush to the bottom of my nail. And for some finishing touches, I'm taking that light blue I used earlier and just adding some highlights to the water so it looks like some reflections. Now I'm applying a layer of top coat to all my nails. So here's the finished Bob Ross painting, and these are my finished nails. These turned out a lot better than I was expecting, and I had a lot of fun doing this, so if any other nail artists want to try this, then please make sure to let me know. I'd love to see them. If you want to see more pictures and read more about this, you can click here or the link in the description to read more on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.